Welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how you can log in different Gmail account on your phone. Okay, so I'm using Android phone. If you're using iPhone, you can use the same. You can follow the same step. So first, I'm going to show you in my desktop, or you can use this on laptop also, and then I will show you my Android phone. So let's start with the video. So guys, before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go start with the video. So this is my desktop, and here you can see I have logged in with the many account. And if you want to log in or with different account here, okay, so this my current account. I just if I go to the Gmail, so if I click on Gmail, so it will bring me the Gmail with this email ID. Okay, so I want to switch, I can switch with my already email. If I click on it, it will be open with next video, window. So if I want to add another, or if I want to add different account, I just go down and click on add another account, and I have to add account by click enter my username and password. Okay, so here you have to enter your username, then click next, then enter password, then your account will be login automatically. Okay, so my password was wrong, so just enter your correct password and just click next. It will be add automatically. If you first time you log in with your account, so maybe they will ask you the second authority like OTP from your mobile or email ID. So now we are going to move on my mobile, so I will show you in mobile how you can add different account. So let's go on mobile. So guys, this is my Android phone. If I want to add different Gmail account, I have to go in. There is a many ways, but I will show you the simple way. Just open your Gmail app, and you can click on it on your Android phone, sorry, your profile photo. If you don't have account here, uh, you will see like only icon here. Just click on it, then your this top will open. And now just scroll down and find the add another account option. Just click on it, then it will find setup email. So it will show the email service like Google, Outlook, Yahoo, Exchange, of the others. So we need to log in Gmail. So click on Google. It will be take next step, which is you have to enter your username and password. Okay, so enter your email ID here, and if you have already email, you can enter email, then click next, then you have to enter password, then your account will be add. Okay, so if you don't have email, new account, just create from here. And the create process is a very simple. Just click myself or business, you click on myself, the first name, last name, and the simple process. Just click next, and then your account will be added here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you.